Did you know that Teyonah Parris' net worth has recently jumped to $5 million? Teyonah Parris has played many roles in the MCU series, and we all know about her outstanding performances. She owns more than you think, and we have all the juicy details about her. So, how does the beautiful Marvel actress spend her millions? Let's find out. We all know how much she loves makeup and expensive jewelry, as she has often been spotted wearing diamond necklaces and rings. Her red carpet looks are absolutely stunning. It looks like she has hired an expensive stylist to keep her looking her best. Teyonah's wardrobe is full of expensive designer clothes and shoes. Later in today's video, we are going to discuss the most unique features of her lifestyle. Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. In today's video, we are going to give you some crazy details about how Marvel actress Teyonah Parris spends her millions. So make sure to watch the video till the end to find out more. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the richest people in the world. Teyonah Parris is currently 34 years old. The American actress began her career in the film industry by playing a recurring role in the AMC drama series Mad Men. In 2014, Parris had her breakthrough role in the independent film Dear White People, and in 2015, she starred in the satirical drama film Chirac. We have also seen Teyonah in the famous comedy series Savior Remorse. Thanks to her outstanding performances, she was also recognized for many awards. She received a motion picture nomination for one of her films. Teyonah was shocked to hear the news that she would star in the Marvel Cinematic Universe. She shares that it was one of her dreams to become a superhero. "It's been a dream of mine to be a Marvel superhero," she said. "I had actually been fan cast as Monica Rambeau years prior on Twitter, so I started doing my own research on the character then." Teyonah Parris was living an amazing lifestyle even before she graced us with her presence on the big screen. As a child, she competed in beauty pageants at the mall and in school. "But it was so expensive," she told Couture, "so my mom would do my makeup and I would wear some of her clothes. We made it work. It wasn't like what you see on TV where people are spending thousands of dollars to compete. That wasn't us. We didn't have it like that." Like many other millionaires, Teyonah spends her millions traveling to expensive holiday destinations. Recently, she took a trip to Europe and we know she spent thousands of dollars there. She also has pets and loves dogs so much. She even built a separate pet house in her mansion. So what makes Teyonah's millionaire lifestyle so unique? Well, don't worry, we are going to discuss that next. So make sure you watch until the end to find out more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos. Teyonah owns a mega mansion in the United States where she lives with her family. To stay in shape, she regularly exercises in her very own indoor gym. The house contains 4 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. Some of the amazing features of the house include its lush green gardens, spacious pool, and its 3 glass garage doors that cut through a large living room, dining room, and kitchen. Her famous car collection includes a Rolls-Royce Phantom and a Toyota Prius, which are favorite cars for many celebrities. Teyonah bought her Rolls-Royce Phantom for more than $450,000. It is the most expensive Rolls-Royce, and she bought the Toyota Prius for $32,000. Teyonah has collaborated with several brands including McDonald's and Walmart. She has also won many awards for her blockbuster films. After coming this far in the video, you know that Teyonah Parris' millionaire lifestyle is no ordinary life. Many of us desire to have a luxurious lifestyle like hers, and she surely knows how to put her hard-earned money to good use. And that's all for today, guys. What do you think about the luxurious lifestyle of Teyonah Parris? Let us know your favorite part in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel because next week, we'll be back with the details about how Ryan Reynolds spends his millions. Thanks for watching.